Now we move on to the 25th question. The problem is, it's a problem on projectile motion. From a top of a tower of height 40 meters, a body is projected with a speed of 20 meters per second at an angle of elevation 30 degree. Then the ratio of the time taken by the ball to come back to the same height and that taken to hit the ground is, take g is equal to 10 meters per second square. Alternatives are 1:2, 1:3, 2:3, the last choice is 1:4. Now in this problem they are asking, let us say here is a tower. Let us take, here is a tower, and let us say this is the height to which a ball is projected like this, and then it is falling to the ground. Now from here we are projecting with a velocity u at an angle of 30 degree. Now from, let us say this is the point A and this is point B and here is the ground, let us say C. Then time taken for the ball to cover TAB and time of the ball to cover BC. Then they are asking the ratio of T of AB to T of BC. Now so from here to here, that is from A to B, it is acts as a projectile. So we can use what is called as the time of flight of the projectile to find T of AB. So let us take the T of AB, time of flight. The time of flight formula, you know that, 2u sin theta by g. So in this case it is given u as a 20, so 2 into 20 into sin theta is a sin 30, sin 30 is a half, and then g is taken as 10. So automatically this and this cancel and this, so answer is a 2 seconds. So this is the time taken for the ball to travel from A to B. Now from B to C it is simply falling as in a uniform motion. So from B to C it's simply falling. So for that we can use this formula because it is falling not as a projectile, as a straight line motion. So we can say, we can use this formula, S is equal to ut plus half gt square. Now here t is the what is called as the time taken from B to C. So here S is equal to ut plus half h square. So at this height, the initial, it is at a height of 40 meters. So this height is a 40 meters. So in this case h is, so S is a time taken by the ball, it is a 40 meters, isn't it? So S is equal to 40, that is equal to u is given as a, because we have to, this is downward motion, so we can take this as a u cos theta and you can take this as a u sin theta. So here only u is u sin theta, so u sin theta t plus half g t square, this we can use. Now we will rub this one and then we will move on to that one. So now the answer is 40, u sin theta is 10, so it is the body is moving downwards. In this case it is a positive, in this case it is downwards, so we will write it as a minus u sin theta. So minus u sin theta is half, u is 20, so it's going to be 10 t, we can say, or 10 bc, or it's simply t plus and half gt, g is 10 by 2 5, so 5t square. So here is a quadratic equation, so we can bring that entire thing by divide by 5, we can have t2 square or simply yt2 square, we'll put it as a t square. So t square minus 2t minus 8 equal to 0. So t square minus 2t minus 8 equal to 0. If you simplify this, we'll get this equation. This is a quadratic equation. There are two roots for here. T can be equal to 1 plus or minus 3. So alternatives are minus 2 and 4 are the alternative answers. So these are the two roots. So in this case, neglecting the negative root, you can take the positive root t2. So t bc is 4. So this is the time taken for the ball to travel from B to C. So what is the ratio of so the question is asking, what is the ratio of T2, that is T of AB by T of BC we want, that is equal to 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. So alternative is 1 by 2, so answer is A is the answer. So it is simply the ratio of the time taken by the ball to travel as a projectile and travel as a body dropped from the height B. So this is the answer. Now we are move on to the next problem.